If I should be idiot, give him kana, no mercy at all. Every day wahala for this palace.
See this problem where these people won't make a cause for this palace, eh? See this problem where they push me. And they try to hold myself, they push me. No problem. This table, where will they expect me to break? This table, I go break am. Break the legs like this, everybody go shock. No, I said then I say, okay, let me use my last good behavior for this palace. Nobody they see am. Let me just be nice for a reason. They know they are pushing me.
Did you lose your way?
You get important secret. I won't leak for you now. You get something I want me and you discuss.
What is it?
Neka, you are cold. Neka.
What is the worry? Una dey mad. Una drink una mama breast well. Which one say Neka? The day when they born, na me be the metro we carry una come for una mama woo. What happen? Who they call me?
Well, Madam Stacy, she said we should come and call you so you come and clean up the spilled water in the princess chambers.
That one person name of person animal place or thing. I think not be she open her mouth tell me say make I no clean that room. Now she don't dey call now they tell say make I come clean her. That girl no dey get himself. I don't stand say that girl she get her family issue.
You know say you're queen to be. Now prince baby that too. I don't dey go. So that go and answer her.
Come back here. Don't be say this thing why I just talk now anger make me talk all this thing. No man I no go carry and go dey tell them. You know say na people like una dey fight about it before. Shut up.
You know say I no go tell
na people like una dey fight about reason. You use another person to do friendship with another person. Go dey talk wetin the person no talk. Una no carry me say.
I no go tell am.
I dey come.
Go clean princess. Go and answer her.
Just dey talk anyhow. Spicy jollof rice.
For this palace every day. If you go here, you go here.
You say you get where I go come up for you.
No, not really. Actually, I called here to discuss something important.
Okay.
Neka,
Ma?
where were you last night?
I think my room is sleeping.
Did you by any chance see the prince last night?
Prince? Who be Prince?
I presume your silence means a lot.
Prince, who be Prince? Okay, our Prince. Ha! I see him. No say I don't know say na Prince you dey talk because they get different type of prince. They get principalities and power. They get Prince of Asia, they get Prince of anything. So now I remember saying our Prince. Our Prince, I see him where they sleep for outside. Now that's only that one.
Is that it?
That's it. Nothing.
Nothing else?
You want me something there? Nothing else, now nothing.
You're sure?
You too, you know sure now you ask me. I'm sure.
I see.
Me too, I see.
And then?
The entire person.
Okay, you may leave.
What about the floor where you say make a floor for you?
I said leave.
Ma, leave the floor.
Please go. I said go!
Cause when my food. I don't wait for you since when you bring food for me. Say hunger, don't they beat me? You never bring food. You don't give everybody food for palace. You remember me.
Joe.
Man! Give me my food, 1.
Come carry am 2.
Give me my food, 2.
Come carry am 12. Carry am 16. You say because I it is say you cannot you are even saying
no,
you will
point me knife if you dey talk to me.
Waiting,
we not dey allow for our side.
You go see wetin
no dey point me knife.
Something must cut now.
No dey point me knife if you dey talk
no,
to me.
No dey drag knife with me.
Throat. I go slide. You think say because you be man, Abi? I go offend you for this palace. I go offend you for this palace.
Maybe today you begin offend me.
I go offend you. Because I go offend you. I go offend you. Hunger don dey beat me since.
You know say you wan fight me. Come now, sleep. Come now.
If you don't hear ching, you go hear giddy bam. For this man, every day.
Make up.
You go hear giddy bam. The
Make up.
palace is burning.
Why are you seated here alone? What happened? Are you okay?
My prince, I dey pass through a lot. I never chop since morning. They let dey pay me.
You've not eaten? Why? Because they did not give you your own portion of food.
No give me.
Why?
He no give me. I dey tell I just dey shout for me. When I know say the matter don serious now, when he lock kitchen, carry key.
Is something wrong with him?
I don't know. Something dey always dey wrong with him. But this time I no come know that I ain't come wrong something.
Okay. Don't worry. I will deal with him later.
You even need to deal with her.
Yes,
I don't get power to talk. The more they talk, the more they lose strength.
Sorry. Okay, you know what will happen? Let's go to the kitchen. I'll open it for you so you can take food. Okay?
I don't get power, sir.
You don't have power?
Yes, I'm moveless. I'm motionless.
Alright, come. Let me help you. Okay, just go.
Fire burn. The princess is smoking. Fire burn. Smoking. Without control.
And where are you going to?
I'm going away from you.
Balling power every day. If you don't hear ching, you go hear giddy bam. Now all our promise be this so. No. Now all our promise be this. Oh mama. No. The king is the star. Ooh. The prince is confused.
Father.
What is it?
They're fighting again. My brother and his supposed wife to be.
Oh my God. I'm tired of this stress. Every day fight and fight. In fact, they can as well go and kill themselves, okay? Close the door for me.
Really? Do you want them to kill each other?
Is there anything you want me to do?
No.
Please, close my door behind you.
Hello, Father.
You're a great cook. I hope you know that.
On this concussion fried rice now hunger motivates me to cook.
Concussion? I bet it's not everyone that can cook fried rice.
Who exactly are you referring to, if I may ask?
Please. You see this sweet moment. Don't just come and ruin it for me.
I can see that you and your sisters are monkeys from the deepest forest. If not, tell me how or here, eating with a common maid in the kitchen, Tony.
Is that your business? Is that your business? You have the room all to yourself. You can go there and sleep.
So you'd rather be here with this thing than to grace my bed, Tony? Anyway, hold, because I will beat it off her. I can see she has charmed you with her cheap charms, right? I am going to hit it off her now.
Come on.
My priest, these are my friends. My priest, don't do.
Careful.
No, you're the one who has lost your senses here. Let me beat this maid. I'm trying to remove the juju from her. The juju she's using to tie you.
The man, because I keep quiet. I didn't get that pipe. I didn't get that pipe. No man punch you.
Deal with her.
If I punch you, no go survive at
all.
Tony! Can't you see you're not even working with your senses anymore?
Sorry, my prince, no good.
Hey, get out.
No litter. No good man they eat to me.
Right?
No, no touch I get.
I said you get out.
Go push me now. Where can I go?
Can you cook rice? Can you cook fried rice?
Oga, what is this now? In the back here, now you big way. I can't go to park here now. As you go, are you the owner of this company? My friend, because the man said this motor here. Bring it to the park here. Say you go over the palace. You know what? If you're not going to be if you're not going to be
Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
What do you want to know? You don't go school. You don't go driving school. You don't know traffic. You don't know the law of traffic. I just make a long gate where make a direct way go park motor. Wow! You park another little. Make a bring this in park and then park here. You know, yellow parachute.
You see, I was even considering moving, but the way you spoke to me just now, I won't do that anymore.
Okay, because I can't inside. Oh yes, now. Then I become
Will you keep quiet?
What's the problem?
Father, don't reply that idiot anymore. Uncle, let's go inside.
Let's go. Hey, come. Hey, Danaya, idiot. Sorry, sir, not you, that idiot. Not you with your good because I respect your good. I like idiot. Why are you just watching this man?
This is my father's business we're talking about, so I know how to handle it. Yes, just play your part. No. You don't need to say that, man. Okay. About that, he's my friend. Yes, he's my friend. So whenever he comes around, just give him, or you call me. Please, hold on, let me call you back. I'll call you back shortly. Gozie, why are you walking around here and why are you pushing me?
Me push you? You don't reach accusation, my prince. Which one is why am I pushing you? Did my hand touch you? Not because I just pass my own now. Did I stretch hand to push you?
Must you touch me? Must your body touch me?
Meanwhile, my prince, thank God say you don't start a conversation. Thank God say you don't start talk. And they even find opportunity to even follow you talk. This one now no be quarrel, this one no be anything. I want to now talk to you man to man.
You want to talk to me?
Man to man.
Okay, what is it? But mind you, if you're talking to me, lower your tone.
I did shout before. You don't like this tone, make I bring them.
Say down. What you want to say.
And my prince. You see me as I did here, I'm not a troublemaker. I am never a troublemaker. I have been peaceful from the day when my mama born me till today. But that one no mean say I no feel much problem if person bring problem can't give me. Because as I see you, I love you.
Can you just go straight to the point? I need to understand what you're talking about, man.
The point must not be straight. If I still work like this finish, I will still hit them where they go to. Because I like you from the first day where you come back from America. I don't know the country where you go. I don't like you well. But all of a sudden, You stole the love I will have for you. You stole it away. You come out from my body. This girl now where they see. This my girl. This little girl now where I don't date.
Who's your girl?
Which one be who is my? Every time you go
there,
they behave like say you know no. Neka. Duro timim. My love. One decided and engage this weekend when I'm getting old. That is the girl you came back and you put your eyes on.
So Gozie, you have the effrontery. You have the nerves to talk to me about a woman. Are you mad?
My prince, that's why I started with respect.
Keep quiet.
I tell you,
what,
say I respect
you don't have respect for me. Okay. Understand?
Oh yeah, let me tell you. Give me small time. You always the aggressive. No be say I no feel the aggressive. But I go still add respect because you are a royal household. Make I tell you. Person like you, we don't travel far across 7 seas and 7 oceans. See white women. See all the beautiful women where they exist for this life. How can you come back to your father's country? You can't bring yourself so low. Go so low. You know if you go out, go find all these politician daughter, rich men daughter, all these big men daughter. Now where you come put your eye. Begin where I don't know some. Arrange them as he go shoot me. Now that one you come put your eye. Eh? Is that one okay by you? Is he okay by you? Put yourself in my shoe. Because I the work here. If I know the work here, you foresee me and this girl.
Am I the one you're talking to like that, Gozie?
Prince, you too like fight.
Don't you have respect anymore?
You too like fight. I never they carry this thing, go fight side. It's a peaceful
like fight, right?
It's a peaceful conversation.
I like fight.
What I'm telling you now is that even if for this whole community, you know see girl will match your standard. You know they're online. Shebi una the other girls online. Hook up girls, all those girls where they open their breasts, open everything.
Gozie, you know, keep quiet. Gozie, you know I'm not that kind of guy you should speak to in that tone. You know, right?
I know, sir.
You know, and you're talking to me in that manner.
That's why I lower my voice to talk to you. You know, see this one now, nobody they see us here. Now, man-to-man discussion be this. Take your eyes off a poor girl. The rich is for the rich. Let the poor be for the poor. This thing is a very simple thing. Why some intimidation they always hungry on the way they rich? I don't know why. You don't dare rich, be say you don't do rich. Me, I don't dare poor, be say I don't dare poor. Leave me in my lane.
Senses. You've lost your senses.
Don't they start fighting?
You've lost your senses.
Don't they go for fighting now?
Gozie.
You won't beat me now.
Gozie.
No vex, make I dey go. But I believe say you understand wetin I talk, sha.
I'll just let it fly. But if you try that nonsense again, you see what I will do to
fight.
You.
Small thing now you won't fight. But for my girl, Matana, you won't fight me.
Your girl. Can you afford her? I'm asking you, can you?
Which one?
How is she your girl?
Which one behind she my girl? If I not bring that girl come this place now, get work for her for this palace, you foresee am? You forget eye on her. Because I don't do mistake now, help her find work here now. That's how you come begin talk waiting.
Go back to your duty post. Go back to your duty post now.
I don't go now, no problem. But make I still remind you. You remember saying na me they feed all of una for here. Na me they kitchen. Na me they give una wetin una they put for mouth, including.
What are you trying to say? What are you insinuating?
No, nothing.
Meaning what?
Everywhere good.
Are you threatening me?
Are
you going to poison my food? Is that what you're saying?
I never thought.
You poison my food?
I'll be waiting I talk.
Gozie.
But the Lego fits well.
I have my eyes on you. Just know that.
Pitch up the Lego. Stay more than appropriate. The Lego.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
What do you do for a living?
Your Highness, I'm a realtor. I own a real estate company.
Wow. In that case, we will have a separate discussion after this, okay?
That wouldn't be a problem. I'm standing by.
That's good.
Where is the princess? Huh? It's good for them to meet. Very proper.
Well, you know, our children of these days, they have a way of behaving. She's been up there since morning and hasn't come down. I don't know what the problem is.
Maybe I can help bring her down.
It's beginning. What did you say?
Yes. I can help talk to her and try to convince her to come down.
Well, that is inappropriate. But I'll let it slide for the benefit of all. I'll get a guide to lead you to her room.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You got to go to her room.
I trust you. I trust you, son.
Sister, you sent for me.
Are you aware of what happened last night?
For where? For this palace? What thing happened where I don't know?
I caught the prince with that witch.
Which witch?
Neck, of course. I caught them rigmaroling.
First of all, wait. Correct yourself. No, you know if you just call Neck a witch like that, or like a witch before. Change that name first, make I hear what you the talk. You caught the prince with who?
With Neka.
Thank you. Continue.
I caught them fooling around. And when I tried to interfere, can you imagine that the prince nearly beat me up? Yes.
Wait, so Prince and the Neka still they do this they still they do this thing for this palace. After all the warning why I don't want them, they still they do this thing.
Exactly why I called you. To say want her. Want Neka to stay clear of my path. Want her to leave my man. Because if she does not leave the prince alone, what I will do to her, she will not believe it.
This shouting way they shouting, I don't spoil this thing way they talking.
Want her to stay away from the prince, so want her.
You don't want the prince. Want go hold your team, don't get again a chain. Put your own dog for chain.
Are you calling the prince Nketa? Are
No,
you okay?
Don't be your this thing. Want put her for chain too.
Want Neka to leave the prince for me, oh. She will not like this fight that she's starting. If I come out for her, she will not bear it. Tell her to leave the prince.
Your boyfriend, he put them for, you know, they even give him too much chance. You get that thing where they find for Neck, but he there your body, but your own, I don't know. Because
Neka is just using her bum to be seducing and be rubbing him up and down.
Travel, that's what I'm asking.
Just want her to leave my man alone. Want her to leave my man alone, dossier, for her own good.
Go leave. How did I leave? I beg you, hold the prince. Today your prince, and stop shouting at this girl like that. Calm down now, So prince and this girl, you still go meet and food matter. They still they meet. Two of them still they.
Tell Neka to leave the prince alone. Tell her to leave the prince. She take that her bum and leave my prince alone. Want her to stay away from my prince.
Don't be me they talk about too.
Tell Neka to leave the prince. I've told you to leave.
I said you don't know.
Leave.
Like saying that me is the one. You don't know who find your problem. Because they want me like saying that you.
Birds on the same feather. What was I expect?
Yes, who be that?
May I come in?
What do you want? Who you be?
My name is Collins and I'm here with the princess.
How they come?
How are you, my princess?
Wait till happen. Who you be?
I wanted to talk to you. I've been waiting downstairs.
Wait. Are you the Collins my father wants me to marry, right?
Yes.
What are you doing in my room? And you? Why did you bring a stranger to my room? Are you mad?
It's my father's wish.
Wait, who is father? Come on, out of my room. Get out!
Please, it's not her fault.
So, what do you bring up?
I didn't come with anything, but we can go out and get you something. Anything you want.
You don't carry anything, come. Why?
Like I said before, we can go out there and I'll get you whatever you want.
Mina?
Yes, 100%.
Okay, no, I just got the call, make I change.
Awesome.
They come with you. They come.
You see you, I've got my eyes on you. Shebi, you see what you do yourself for this palace. Shebi, you see how you dey mumu yourself for this palace. You, poor man pikin. Poor man pikin wey suppose coordinate herself, know her level, know where to follow and where not to follow, know how to arrange yourself. No say you no be rich man pikin. You get her children wey come from the poor background, take they behave so that you go know where your future go lead you. You leave am, they misbehave for this palace. But no wahala, I dey watch you. I got my eyes on you. I dey watch you.
You dey craze. Woman shook hand inside your eye. You dey mad. Who you dey shout for? You want me lose my temper for you?
You see? Shebi, you see, and you don't get mad now. No be you when no fit talk before. Few months to hear you fit talk. But you see, now you don't get mad. They even shout at me because you and Prince don't dey naked now for each other. You don't dey open leg. You eat a hair jabba. And your rebel and then can come with the Prince.
This is the way you talk now. This is the way you talk now. You feel defend in front of people. You feel defend in front of people. Eh? You feel defend them.
I'm not going to defend them.
You dey crazy.
Depending on who asks now.
Depending on who asks. You dey mad.
Don't they slap me.
You dey crazy. You know they slap me. When I slap you again?
Slap me.
When man not slap you?
Slap me like that. Don't slap me like
that.
Because I love you. Because I love you. That's why you dey beat me.
Come over there.
Slap me again now. Slap me again. Make I don't want to enter this water where they push me. I don't want to enter this water. You don't do me like that. You don't do me like that. Not because I love you. Don't do me like that.
Are you certain she told you she'll go out with you?
Yes, Your Highness. I am.
I am saying so because that girl can be something else sometimes.
Igwe, let's give her the benefit of doubt.
It's all right.
Igwe. Oh, we'll take her now. So, I'm a toast.
Igwe.
Hey! Ebune! Any more step? One year again here. Are you out of your senses? Go get away from here! Go get away from here! Look at our boy, you idiot! Nonsense, you think I'm afraid of you? You think me? I cannot be afraid of you. Who are you? You idiot! Let me handle you. Now of your future. Who sent you?
I don't set. I don't set.
No.
I'm good, right?
Very nice.
Amara, are you mentally stable? Look at what you're wearing.
Waiting do am. I don't understand. We won't just go buy something when they come.
Now go inside and change into something more dignifying.
Right now.
Person won't carry me come out. No complain. Now you won't take am personal. No while I go inside, but if I go inside, I don't go come out again.
No, it's fine, my princess. Your Highness, I think what she's wearing is good.
You see him?
Yeah.
You see him? You know they complain. Now you won't complain.
I want to take her out of this place. Nonsense.
No, we'll go a beg.
All right.
I won't come out.
Amen. Asa. Get
I won't go flex with colleagues and they come. Wait, now I go buy for you. Talk wetin I go buy for you. I won't come out.
Buy any food at all. Any food where I buy go work. Anything where I
Fried
buy.
rice, salad, and chicken, abi? Okay.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
What's happen?
Come, look where I like.
Are they coming?
Can we go now?
Are they go open gate?
Ebune, what are that?
Open the gate.
No, open the gate.
Open that gate now.
Open that gate. Look at that. Who are you? You are not putting those things cut on. These are not. You
open the gate now.
It's open.
Open gate.
Hello, Mama. Mama, which kind of talk be that one? Why month ahead when they ask for another movie? I don't tell you, they never pay our salary. They never pay our salary. They never pay our salary.
Okay.
Two and half.
I cannot take it from you. Don't send me money, what do you mean are you good?
Says they are too big, two and half for diet. Mama, what do you talk again? Say, Mama, I beg, I use God, you beg you. That's all the cash for. I use God, beg you. I don't get money again. I beg you, short more, don't come this way. I'm not free talk, I'm bad. Bye.
Is everything okay?
Partially. Everything is good.
Are you sure?
It's gonna be okay.
Okay. I got something for you.
Wait.
Yes. I got you a surprise. Why are you behaving like that?
The thing we say, people who rich past me, no, they ever buy me gifts. The only people who are better past, and they buy me something. And no be better thing, but they always buy me.
Are you being serious?
Let me be serious. See serious.
Well, expect more surprises from me. Come with me, let me give you what I got for you. Come. Come, you will enjoy yourself. Come with me. Nigga, come. You're going to enjoy yourself. Come.
Oga, why you keep your face like this? What's your It's more food why I chop now. Why you disgrace face? It's more food why I chop now. Why you disgrace face? I don't know what things to make I buy for you.
You talking there?
There. Don't forget to call our plug to bring 7G for us. You hear me?
7G.
And they go inside and invest.
Asam. It's not my problem. My problem is not idiot. Eh? No, the body is only far. Look at that man. It's not even talking. I like man. What's a lot? Then you will not take wholesale of a man.
What is wrong with you? Have you gone mad as well? Have all the stupidities in this kingdom made you their host?
Father, I don't understand. Why are you insulting me? What have I done to you? No, tell me, what can I do you now? I don't observe, so they like to see me happy. Why?
With all the stupidities that you displayed today, the princess of this great kingdom going viral on the internet for the wrong reason. The young man sent me the video. Yes, he sent me the video with a heartbreaking message of your embarrassment to him and to this great kingdom.
Okay, I understand now. Father, so because I wanted to be myself around him, it's embarrassing, right? No, tell me.
Mara, that wasn't you.
Not me.
No, it wasn't you.
Not me.
How many times have you eaten like a glutton in this palace? And you did it on purpose.
Well, I wanted to see the kind of person he is, and he proved me right. Enjoy your evening. No, you're happy that I'm sad. You dey happy now, right? No, you dey happy say at the verse. No wahala. Enjoy yourself.
Mara, you're a big disappointment.
Give him kana, go say wow, give him sumoku, give him kana, go say wow, na the largest idiot she be.
Keep your greeting to yourself. I am fed up with you and your sister. Now listen to me. You must sleep in your bedroom tonight with the woman I chose for you. And if Stacy reports you to me, then you will answer for it.
Dad,
And for the records, whatever thing going on between you and the maid, Nneka, is not happening. Stop it right here and now. Now,
Dad, you need to understand all these things.
Leave my presence.
You need
I said leave my presence.
Leave me alone. Just let me be. What is all this? Is it by force? Are you going to force me?
Yes, I will. Stop there. I will force you. It is by force. It is by force. You will marry me whether you like it or not.
No, I will not marry you, Stacy. There is nothing in this world that will make me have you as a wife. Nothing.
Then be ready to die by my own hands.
Are you threatening me?
No, I'm not. I am only stating the fact because I will kill you. I will butcher you. Yes, I will butcher you.
Stacy!
I am stating the fact. Since you do not want peace, be ready to be butchered by me.
Stacy, you need to be careful with that.
You're mad.
How dare you put such stunt on me? You want to kill me, right? I will blow your brains down. Step back! Come on, come on. Leave me back. I said step back! You want to kill me, right? You want to come. Step back. You want to shoot me, right? You want to shoot me? Come on.
My prince, I don't know, say you will still there awake by this time. Why you know they sleep?
I couldn't sleep. I couldn't just sleep.
Why should they disturb you again?
No, she's not. I was even surprised, like she didn't touch me. She didn't come close to me. I don't know why, so...
Maybe she don't Maybe she don't learn. Maybe she don't decide to change small.
That's her business. So please, let's stop talking about her. Tell me why you are moody. What is it?
My prince, I don't want to use my own problem. They disturb you. Don't worry, don't stress yourself.
But I'm not complaining. Did I complain? Look, you need to share your problem with me, okay?
My princess, hope there is no problem.
Mr. Chef, I got something that you would love to see.
What be that?
It's about your precious jewel, Nneka.
Hey, my dear, what happened to my precious jewel?
Trust me, you'll be shocked.
Waiting be that. Waiting be that.
You have to pay me first.
I have to pay you first. Waiting be. Royal begging, na be the waiting be. This one na royal begging. Na royal begging be this, so don't worry, I will give you money. You know I will give you. There is no way. Since you said you must collect something, don't they turn Ekelebe? The Ekelebe lifestyle, you don't they use now. Let me check. Let me see. Wait, now I go give you. Let me see. Hey! Jehovah El Gibor. Jehovah El Olam. Jehovah El Olam. Now this one happened for night. Hold your phone, make I bring my own phone, make I record and put. Chineke. Ndani anuwa. Now this place. No, I don't take. For this palace, eh? My princess.
What is it?
You need to see this. See what thing they go on.
What?
I need this footage.
Your man, they mess up.
Later.
Bring my phone. No break, amo.
What is wrong with this boy? I gave him a simple instruction and he chose to disobey me.
I cannot take this anymore, Your Highness. I cannot. I've been insulted for too long in this palace and this is the part of it all. I cannot take it anymore. I am leaving.
Has fallen apart, busy behavior everywhere. Even
Father, that girl is no wife material. She's a disgrace to the royal home. She's a disgrace to the womanhood entirely. I don't know how people cope with someone like that. See, Father, I remember I told you that I was going to be able to handle her. But with what I saw, I don't think I want to. Again, I don't think I want to have anything to do with her again, Father. Telling you.
Collins, my son, I can understand how you feel, okay? I was shocked when I saw the viral video. Surprise. But like I told you something earlier about her, the princess has her own flaws. A lot of them. But if you love her and you really want to marry her, then you don't have to give up. She is not like those other girls that you have handled before. No. Yet, I see something unique in her despite her flaws. So I don't want you to give up on her.
Something unique?
Yes. I don't know. I just don't understand what.
You think so?
Yes, there's something about that girl.
Father. That's alright, Father. Thank you.
Yeah, you don't need to give up.
Things has fallen apart. Busy behavior everywhere. Even a more. Oh, beyond the Ramama. Life comes with many challenges, but many ones that will scare us never come to us at all. Life is also.
I am leaving this palace for good. I am tired and done with your nonchalant attitude. You can eat your meal for all I care.
Have a safe trip home.
What?
The gate is widely open for you. I noticed your move and I left the gate open. So you can leave.
Wait, you're not even scared of losing me?
For what?
Really? Hey, you know what? I am going nowhere actually.
Why?
I am going nowhere. I will stay back.
Be doing what?
See, because of that maid, you're sending me out of this palace.
You stay back and be doing what?
Really?
Disgracing yourself. Huh? You answer me. You stay back and do what?
Because I will stay in this palace.
You will stay here and be doing what? Jumping around a man that doesn't want you. You keep disgracing yourself. Is that what you want to stay back and do? Is that what you want?
The same way you're disgracing yourself over a common maid.
Son. Father, this girl must leave this palace. No, she must leave, and that's on period. Fact. She must leave.
You broke the truce. That wasn't our agreement.
Father, this is my life we're talking about here. You cannot force a woman into my life. If that was how my mother did to you, that's good and fine for you, Dad. Not me. You cannot do that to me. Not now, not ever. You see this girl? She must leave. And you never shut the hell up about who your father is, do you? Now listen and listen good. I don't care about who your father is. I don't care about his position in the House of Reps. Stay away from me. If I see you anywhere around me again, I swear to God I will send dogs to devour you.
Really?
And I mean it.
To hell with you, Tony. I said to hell with you. I go nowhere.
To hell with me,
yes! Right? Nonsense.
You cannot have me, Stacy. You cannot have me to yourself.
Then you cannot have the maid either.
Let's see then.
We'll
see how it goes. You! Alright, I don't even need to rant with you. I know what to do. I'll just send the dogs on you. They will devour you because you're so.
At least there will be peace in this palace now.
But I'm worried for your brother.
Why? He never liked Auntie Stacy, and I never liked her as well.
Has fallen apart, busy behavior everywhere.
Makeup. How are you?
Hey, Prince. I beg you, please, I come apologize to you.
Apologize for what?
For all the bad thing I don't do for this palace. I beg no verse for me. I mean they cause all this trouble for you. Today now that girl don't vex, pack and load come out all because of me. I don't put you for too many trouble. And a good man you be, you just make me comfortable. You just they make me okay. I can't dey cause confusion for you. The thing don't make me safe. The thing drop my esteem. My esteem. It had me to esteem myself to come here. I can't tell you.
Neka, listen. You didn't do anything. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now listen to me. I show love, affection, my care to whoever I want to. You didn't do anything. Nothing changes.
Yes, sir.
So stop feeling bad.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Partially, sir.
Not partially. You didn't do anything to me.
Okay, sir.
You didn't even cause any problem.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So you just need to stop feeling bad.
I will try if my mind will let me.
Your mind will.
Okay, sir.
So just free your mind. Okay?
Yes.
Do you understand? Drink water.
Water? I'm not tasty. My throat is dry.
Yeah, that's why you need to drink.
No.
Drink. Are you rejecting? I want you to calm down. Okay? You didn't do anything. For real. Neka, do you know that you're very beautiful? Huh? Do you know? I like your smile. I like when you smile. 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 Smile.
Wait, who is this from? Is it from my daughter?
No, it's not from your daughter.
Then who sent you?
A friend to your daughter sent me. Have a nice day, ma.
A friend of my daughter. Please wait. Which friend of my daughter? Hi. Oh God.
Who are you? Come. Who be that? Come. Now they tell me hooting. What is hooting? Then this year, they tell me hooting. Who are Ghana? Idiot.
Are you out of your senses? Why are you talking to me like that?
It is you that is out of your senses. I am talking to you like that because you are an idiot. What is hooting? Who are you? Come. You get mine, they do the pack for this. Here, don't fear you. You know, look inside. You don't fear you. You get mine, they tell me it's a hooty to wagagada. Hooty. Come, what you they find here? What you they look for here? I want to know you.
So you don't know me?
I don't know you.
This is not my first time coming here.
I said, why they make me the
Please open the gate. Let me drive in. What nonsense.
As who? Because you wear clothes where where woman when they do left hand so with the button. Now go back with the command me like you the mad. You the mad. As you say, I see you as a kidnapper. You the find who they kidnap. You know, told you
No, I'm not a kidnapper. I'm not a kidnapper. As a matter of fact, my name is Collins, and I'm here to see the princess. Yes.
Your name is Collins.
Exactly.
You won't see princess. Which of the princesses? Because not only one princess will get for this compound. Which princess you want to?
What is wrong with you? Are you mentally unstable?
Nah, which princess are not what to speak English for? I said we define. We got princess 2 here. Who will be the one where you define on our tobacco? Now make you well chill like a keta. Look at this kidnapper. We're the kidnapper. You know what
it's okay. Let me call the king to come and open for me since you don't want to open.
Okay. You want call king? You want? I call him now. Call king. Go get down. Make I know whether that king is here. Make I know whether that king is the CSO. Call the king now. Idiot. Okay, you better say you get pride. And they talking, they leave it like this. Make it call king. Call king. Look at this book. Because you went towards the way get button. Towards the way get button.
My friend, I promise you, when I get in there, you will lose your job.
Look at
nonsense.
Look at idiot. You never even get here. I don't lose job. You see pride? Pride come before downfall. You won't call you go for me. See pride everywhere, pride. Now make you wear towards the way get button. Don't worry. You go there here till death you part. No, call the king.
You're a madman. Are you crazy or something? Open this gate right now. Listen, I will deal with you right now. Open this gate.
Let me go home like this.
Will you go open this gate?
Don't be say welcome, king. Don't be say welcome. Go also.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Why is your countenance like this?
Isn't it that idiot at the gate who refused entry into the palace? He embarrassed me and spoke to me harshly and spoiled the whole surprise visit I came to pay the princess.
Abom, you mean? Is he seeing you for the first time in this palace?
I honestly don't know. He spoke to me harshly and embarrassed. You could have seen what he was doing outside. What kind of nonsense is that? He behaved as though he has something against me.
Guard, let me handle it immediately. Guard, call the gate man.
The king ordered me to come with you now.
Which one like this one now? Eh? This water now, what's the make I gather? No whether I go sleep small. Now this idiot carry home while come here. The king say make you order me come. Wait, that idiot. You don't go report me for King Gabby?
Please, I don't have time for this. Let's go.
Go to the world, you the mad. I just ask you a question and they tell me so let's go. Come, you know what they call? No semester, but not siesta. That's what they talk say if you won't sleep, say you won't get semester. Now the semester won't get now. You know what they call semester?
I don't have time for this. Let's go.
Abum, why did you deprive this young man from coming into the palace? Are you seeing him for the first time?
Chineke, me deprive you? Nah, me deprive you. If I deprive you, you go get time to sit down here. See us even pose with car.
Wasn't that because I fought my way in?
You fought car. Fought your way. What do you mean fought your way in? Nah, see, now security man I dey do for Abi for here now. No be security. Eh? What is my job? My duty here now, close gate, open gate, interrogate kidnappers who will kidnap you. Yeah? Not my job I dey do, oga. Not my job I dey do. No, you come here, you idiot. Who are you? Don't Not my job, I do my Oga.
You must be crazy. I'm sure there is something wrong.
Talk to work there.
No, shut up. Shut up!
Sorry,
Next time, you must not deprive this young man from coming into this palace. This palace is like his second home. Now, I want you to look at him again for recognition, so that next time, you will not make that rubbish mistake.
Natural Mara. This is a Mara. My Kana. I don't see him. No, I don't see him. Come on, live here.
Sorry about that. Thank you so much, Evans, for the swift response. It's appreciated.
It's alright.
Is the princess in?
She's in the channel.
Let me say hi.
It's alright.
Mr. Idiot, where fit dictate, the highest idiot, where
Who be that? I will come back later.
Give him smoke, go say one not the largest idiot she be. Go say one in fact she be idiot. Go say one give him cana.
You smoke? I came with something for you. Send a call. I actually wanted you to come fetch it yourself. I cannot stand this. So, please, come downstairs.
Go say one not the largest idiot she be. Go say one in fact she be idiot. Go say one give him cana. No mercy at all.
What's chasing you? Are you okay?
You won't believe what I saw last night.
What did you see?
The security man.
Oh, no. That's Abu, is that?
Yes.
So what about him?
Abu?
Acharugo, nwa mụrụ gbegbe, nwa mụrụ gbapụ ọnụ mgbasa tititititi, ọmụmụ ahụ mmiri. Hello? It's again. Huh? What for? No, I did not say so. Hope there's no problem. Eh? What are you coming to the house to do? Just rest in that palace. Take the whole time and rest in the palace. Please don't come home. Don't come to my house. Biko. I know my reasons, Biko. And I have my reasons too. No, you will not die. All I'm saying is that I've already told my friends that you are a big girl there in the palace. I have told them everything. I have told them much about you. And I don't want you to come to the village. If they see you now, they will know that I'm lying. Please just cover me up. Don't come. Relax, oh. That is not what I'm saying. All I'm telling you is not to come to the village. Biko, don't come to the village, Biko. Biko, no. Hey. Let me see you in this village. Let me see you in this village.
It's okay. What is this?
Why is he being punished? What did he do?
Oh, shut up. Disgrace. It's a total disgrace. You are a total disgrace.
How long has this man been sneaking into your bedroom?
How long has he been sneaking into your bedroom?
Sneaking? She's now dumb. She can't talk.
She rejected a promising young man with life.
Because of this.
Hey, don't even stop that from. You mean you've been sleeping with our gate man?
Father, please. Please!
If you say anything there, I will skin you alive myself.
I love Abum so much. He matches my vibe. I don't care who you want to be with, but...
Father, my king! Father, what is it? What is it?
Doctor, how is he?
He will pull through. He had a mini cardiac arrest. I've managed to give him something to ease the flow of blood in his arteries and veins. He just needs to rest. He will be fine.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome. But please ensure he doesn't get any form of disappointment or any negative feelings that could spike up his heart rate. He just needs enough rest.
It's okay. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Things has fallen apart.
What do you mean like what do you know? What do you come and sit down? So see, give me. Down, sit down. You see where love carry you go now? You see Amadi? You see where love carry you go? Now one chance now you enter like this. Hey, wait. Don't this thing now. Don't talk this thing again, I beg. I don't make it the headache to make it not remind me this nonsense when they talk about that. Because if I hear the thing when they talk about that, don't cry. Don't cry. Like they're gonna be what in this one? What is they cry for? See your tears. What is they cry? Now your tears nice with this bucket. Now your tears no need to cry more. Now your tears are nice with this. Your tears are they dry up like this, use and they press your body. Hey. And what here? Idiot.
Listen to me. Pray to your God nothing happened to our father because I'm going to kill you in this palace.
Why are you blaming me for your wrong?
You're asking me questions. And who told him about Abom, if not you? Who told him?
You broke his heart by falling in love with a palace gate man. If anything happens to my father, I'll hold you responsible.
Hey, can't you Chitiki. Don't go fire this man.
Who? You said Thunder go fire who?
I'm not calling anybody name. But was it all? Talk to me. So I get one. So I get moto. He go get mind. Lie me for grand, they flog me like smoke again.
Make I ask you. I won't ask you, my brother.
If to say you be Igwe,
you for allow a wretched man, a nobody, a get man, a fool like you, climb the princess.
Now my thunder will not get mama and papa. And go from Monday. Come here, fire you idiot.
Just say
people go punish you.
People were the guards who flog you.
Who get that thing? Those name what you call now? Who get them?
You get more now. That one is small. I never even call your botanical name.
Botanica name. Book the idiot.
It's not mechanical name.
Yeah, botanica book the idiot.
What's up, botanica?
Botanica book the.
Illiterate is still there for your. That is your situation plenty.
No wonder. Now why I see wetin make neck I no gree. I should no get fuck.
Who flog you? No even sabi flog. Normally, if na me start the flogging, na eye. By now, here hot water go from this eye, they enter the.
They go no problem. No press again. Don't do it.
Sit down.
If they do me this, I mean.
Sit down also. Make I do you something. Mugu.
You do me something.
Now sit down now. What they worry you now? Oh, this boy, they taught me on to beat person. Oh,
told you go boogie, idiot.
Sit down.
Fat, you know what? No press again. Thank you. God bless you.
That be my problem.
No, make I know what you they do now. This is what they do. Make I know where it can end. Thank you. God bless you. I'm done.
It's okay.
No, what no? You see this is what they do now. Now you make with the door yourself for when they can day. You know, no say you get matter, you get as they take the entire family hand.
Okay. So for your mind now you think say you get a piano way or window or backyard where I go fit take enter neck. For your mind.
You get it now, she no get mother.
Eh?
Yeah, now from her mama, you go just enter her. When person they tell you something, you don't go believe. Give me.
It's true.
Now
sense you make now.
Give me. Now make I do myself. They do. I won't help you. See, make I tell you. Now through her mama, you fit enter her. You understand? Just enter her mama. Buy her gift. She will accept you.
Right.
Because now only she fit there that idiot will be nigger. Everything will enter her brain.
Jesus Christ. Why I never think go this side before?
I don't think I get brain. This is not to go with me like this.
No, they touch me that. See, not be say I no get brain, but you know, say, I never believe in you before.
So this thing hot.
I dey see you like nothing good will ever come out of you. No, not true. Now, what you don't ever suggest any good this thing.
So this is what I suggest that.
I don't know where it come from.
Get out.
Thank you, Sha.
Thank
you, Sha.
Thank you.
God bless you. It's okay. Move.
My prince, how your papa? How him dey?
He's fine. The doctor said that he needs to stay away from any negative news that will overwhelm him.
Try. That one go hard though.
I thought as much. Judging from how always he is with my sister. And I as well. I just pray he doesn't die because of us.
God forbid. I reject and to fear I no fear happen. God no go agree.
Amen.
No.
Yes.
Don't worry, I dey with you. I go to remember you for prayer well, back to back. I go to remember you. I will be your burden bearer for this one.
Thank you very much. So tell me, Neka, what is that thing that you would like to achieve? I mean, what you would want to become if you have the opportunity to?
That question hard though.
Or you can answer me. Feel free. Your dream.
The truth be say, I like to go school to be a graduate.
Graduate?
Yes.
You want to be a graduate?
Yes.
Okay.
Because they give their respect well. But where I see money, who dash monkey banana? I not get shishi. Like the money where they manage, I see they send give my mama. They still they do till they maintain our house.
Okay, so now if you see bundle of money now, maybe let me say about 100 million, will you put it in education?
If they want me, 100 million. Let it be 100 million.
Can you use that? Can you finish it in education? Like
no more you assume because you know fear. No more you assume say I will see like 1 million. I will register for university there, use the remaining money to start side hustle so that I go to hustle. From that hustle, I go to use to pay my school fees. Wow. I could go write jam now. I know something. Only say na English I know sabi. But sabi writer. I know if you speak English. I can't speak English. I can speak.
But you are speaking English now.
I can't and I can. Not be the same thing, Abi.
Oh.
I can speak English, but I know if you write them.
You can speak English, but you can't write.
Okay, can go come for the first one, the second one I can't.
You can speak English, but you cannot write.
I can speak English, but I can't write English.
You cannot write and you cannot write the words. The words is what you can write. Sorry.
So I'm just surprised because your hand they go another side.
No. Did you forget any of your things at the palace?
You can make your silly jokes for all you want. But I've come to warn you. It is not over yet. You will pay me for my time wasted. Every penny! You will cough out to me.
Oh, so it's about the money now, right?
No, it's about revenge. You should get your account managers ready.
I owe you nothing.
We'll see about that.
Now all our promise be this so. No. Now all our promise be this. Oh mama, the king is the star. Ooh, the prince is confused. Princess Samara is always on a high.
You call for me?
Yes. Sit down. I got you something special.
What be that?
Sorry.
Hey, book.
Yes.
English book.
Your new reading and writing tools. Okay. Can read? Read it. Read. It's okay.
Now V starter.
Yes, I know. I'll be putting you through with the teachings, okay?
Okay, sir.
Just keep them safe.
My prince, thank you very much. I know we disappoint you.
I know you won't.
Vumpuabunari.
Thank you. Check my phone. Where's your brother?
Yes, Lord.
Oh, call me Tony.
Who is here? Oh, Mama. Mama, there.
Hello, my son, you're welcome. Are you looking for someone?
Mama, is this in Neka's place? Now here Neka they stay.
Neka. Hope all is well.
All is well, all is well. Neka, the one where they work for Palace as cleaner.
I'm still asking, hope all is well.
All is well now. I carry gun. I carry gun here. I don't carry cutlass.
Then who is looking for Neka? Why are you looking for her?
Mama, come sit down. This one a family talk. Come and sit down, no problem. Here, come. Okay. Mama, don't worry, there is no problem. There is no problem at all. The thing is that Neka is my friend. She has been my friend for a very long time. As I dey here now, Neka is the woman after my heart. And the woman where this my heart they beat for. So me, I've been seeing her, but I don't want that situation where we say I go leave the original thing where we to come see person parents. I go come they do pay, hide and seek for road with her. That is why I said let me take the bull by the horn. By coming to this place to see the parents and tell you what in be my mindset about your beginning. That is why I'm here, man.
Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
She's my daughter. And there's no way I'll marry her. Though I have not heard from her.
Oh, you will hear from her very soon. Well, my name is Gozie Ozuribo. Chuku Gozie Ozuribo. From our neighboring village, Humozu. From Humozu.
It's okay.
So I will be bringing you things from time to time. You know, my wife's mother no go feed, they go hungry. Because it go make me become angry.
There's no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you, so you're welcome.
Let go there, Achicha Bido. Start with Achicha. You can bring it out, bring it out.
Thank you so much.
Bring it out. Oh, that is for you. Buy one or two.
Wait. Are you the one that have been sending things to me for some weeks now?
Wait, have you been receiving the gift? Have you been receiving gifts since?
Yes, food items.
With what and what?
Bags of rice, bags of gari, 2 bags of yam, and money. What is going on?
So it has been coming to you?
Yes.
It's our work.
Hey!
I've been the one sending it.
Hey!
You receive all of them.
Thank God I have seen you in person. Yay! Don't see that. Let's go inside.
It has been coming.
Yes, I prepared food. Let's go inside so you eat.
My bag of rice. Hey! Mama Sobadi, go and
so
bring it.
So you're the person?
I've been the one bringing
Let's
everything.
go inside.
No, let me wait for you here.
Okay, no problem. Don't go and pull it.
But the gay one.
You don't have problem. You don't have problem. The mangrove, take angro, take them. What did they worry you? Why you can't hit my nyash like that? What's the meaning of that one?
You say you got me angry.
Come on for you. What did they worry you?
They push me like that now. Why they push me like that?
I don't want you to say they get temper issues. They stop you. Why you go hit my nyash now?
I don't go hit your nyash. What thing they be different from my hand and your nyash?
When did they mold my nyash? You follow them more than.
Not be me the more than for.
How dare you collect God's glory?
Who the more than for? Everything, all these things where they grow up for right proportion for your body, not for me.
God forbid, but I reject. I bless you, don't decrease. That means this your something cassava where they grow. Now for who?
Not for you.
God forbid, I reject. I know they collect dwarf. Anything with dwarf, no be my portion.
You know, if this thing reach almost my.
I know the centimeter. Even for your this, I don't know the
touch and wear. Touch and